Hi guys, Nikki and Lindsay here, back with a new video, bringing you this glam look right here. Campbell, keep this intro too long. If you guys would like to see how your girl got this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so first thing is first, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. To moisturize, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Dr. Jart moisturizer. It's their water fuse. It gives like a nice dewy look. It looks like this. It literally looks like water. Don't know if they still sell it anymore. I've had this for a while, but I just really like the way it makes my face look and feel. So okay you guys, so I already did my brows off camera because that is a process on its own. I used this pencil that I bought from the beauty supply store. It is by the brand, let me see, Kisses. It was literally like $1.50. It's just a pencil that you have to sharpen, and then it has a spoolie on the other end. I actually really like it. Like, I might go back couple more, you know. And cleaned up my brows. For my eye primer, I used concealer. I used my Huda Beauty high coverage creamy concealer in the shade Butterscotch, mixed in with my crayon case highlighting concealer in the shade number 15, and I dabbed a little bit of Makeup Revolution conceal in 0.5 just for like a little bit of a brightness. I'm gonna let this sit just for a minute because the Huda Beauty concealer dries down a little bit, which is why I like using it as an eyeshadow primer or like a base or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with my crayon case Big Box 64. Now, I don't know what kind of look I want to do. Like I said, I don't know if I want to do something sexy cute. Ooh, bless me. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. I'm just gonna like freestyle. Kind of want to do something brown, sexy, cute. So, right, where is it? Right here. It's a deep brown. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna work it my outer. So what I'm doing, I'm just packing this St. Martin color right on the outer portion of my eye, and I'm bringing it up to my crease just a little bit into like a C motion like that. But it's not as dark as I was hoping it would be, so I gotta add something else to it, but maybe it's just the base that I used. It's crazy because this eye I have more eye space than this eye, so it messes me up a little bit. But alright guys, so I'm gonna take this shade Jefferson Davis. Looks like this. It's like a plummy color because I want to add a little bit of a color to this look. So I'm gonna take that and just blend on the edges of that brown. I'm gonna go in with my crayon case, the matte book, because I want a deeper brown. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and put that in my outer V area, just to deepen up my outer V. Now for my lid color, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade, where is it? Caldwell. It looks like this. This one right here. I'm going to place that on the inner portion of my eye. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade. I want to see how the shade Union comes up. This is what it looks like. I want to see how that looks on the lid blended into that Caldwell color. So let's see. Okay, she's coming along really cute. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit more of Caldwell and blend it into that Union color. Just so it's a nice gradient. We getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. We is getting somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and for eyeliner I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Okay, you guys, so now that I have my liner on, I had to add a little bit of black to my outer. So I'm taking my Kiko Milano eyeshadow in matte black, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend a little bit of the black, blend a little bit of black onto the outer. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the lashes, and then we're going to move on to the face. For lashes, I'm going to use my Jatior Beauty lashes. I have a coupon code. I'll list it right here, or it'll be down below, so check it out and you can save some coins on some lashes. It's my homegirls lash line. These are the lashes that I will be wearing. I'll put the name of them in the description box as well, but look at them. But yeah, go check her out. I'll insert my coupon code so y'all can save a couple of coins on a pair of lashes. So now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to use my Dior Backstage Filter Face and Body Primer. It's just a nice smoothing primer. For foundations, I'm going to be using two foundations. I'm going to be using my Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in the shade Deep. And I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation in the shade 450. I'm running out. I'm so sad. This is just an old ass Juvia's Place brush that I got from IMAX years ago. Emphasis on the years, honey, because that shit was a long time ago, okay? My concealer, so I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade Mocha. And we're going to apply that underneath our eyes. Well, my eyes. Now I'm going to let my concealer sit a little bit. I like to let it sit so it can get like a little bit tacky, so when it blends it's nice and full, like a full coverage. So nice little tip, when you put your concealer on, let it sit so it can get more tacky, and then the coverage will be more fuller once you blend it out. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty sponge. This is by the Crayon Case. Go ahead and blend that out. Now to brighten it up a little bit, because you can see we ain't bright enough over here. We're like a subtle highlight. I'm going to go ahead with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And I'm just going to put that right underneath. Right here. Right here. And we're gonna blend. This is the brightness your girl was looking for. This small brush right here and just tap this highlight in. Because the sponge was good, but it's too big to get where I really need it to be. To set all of this, I'm going to go in with my Deep Peach Loose Setting Powder. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. My contour, I'm going to go ahead and put that powder right underneath where I contoured. Just like that. It'll be better if you use a sponge, but you know, I want to use my brush because my beauty blenders are dirty, and I only have this big one by the Crayon Case, which is too big. I don't know where my other one is. To set my contour, I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case, the blush binder, and I'm going to go ahead and take this dark brown shade on the first page, this one right here, and I'm going to use that to set everywhere that I contour. And the blush binder is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot when doing it. Oh, and now for blush, I don't think I want to do highlight with this look. I want to keep it, you know. So for highlight, for blush, I'm going back in with the blush binder by the Crayon Case. And I'm thinking about doing this orangey brown color right here as my... Now we're going to move on to the lips. I want to use one of my Fenty Gloss Bomb creams. I really want to use Honey Waffles, but I'm trying to see if Honey Waffles will go with this look. I might just use Cookie Jar. I might do Cookie Jar, honestly. So I'm going to take my lip liner by Sephora in the shade Molasses, and I'm going to line my lips. ahead and do cookie jar. Let's see how cookie jar looking. So let's see. Cookie jar. I'm not even gonna do honey waffles, not today. Cookie jar look like it's about to be the cookie in my Okay. Let me add another thing of cookie jar. Another layer. Let me go do something with my hair and then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Sidebar, if you'd like to see how I got this hair, then click above. I'll link the video right above, or it'll be down below in the description. Yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed this look as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, follow all my social media sites. It'll be listed down below in the description box. And until next time, bye.